VeChain is retracing on the weekly time frame, but will we continue to move to even lower prices? Or can we now see a bullish confirmation and a bullish explosion out of this zone? In this video I will talk about VeChain and share my price prediction for the long and for the short term. So let's go straight into the content. First of all, VeChain is right now on place 44 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $2.6 billion. The coin is existent since 2018 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. If you want to trade VeChain, you can do this on Bitunix. You will find the link for this exchange in the description. And from the all-time high of VeChain, we saw this massive bearish correction to the downside. We came all the way down into this demand zone which was the start of this bullish push. And from this demand zone, we saw this push out of the supply zone, and then we finally broke it and also found rejection right here at this supply zone. And as you can see from this latest swing, we are in a retracement. We are right now at the 0.618 Fibonacci and we saw multiple rejection multiple times. And of course, this space between the 0.618 and 0.786 Fibonacci is a great area to see a bullish reaction. Of course, we are still in this bearish order flow, but we are right now testing these last highs. And of course, this last supply zone where we saw rejection and support multiple times. And right now the chances is high that we could see a bullish support, especially if we're going on the daily chart. You can see that we had this higher low right here, this demand zone, which was the start of this push. And we are right now retesting this again. And if you now see a bullish reaction out of the zone, then I think the chances are high that we could start the bullish explosion for VeChain again. And of course, if we are breaking this last supply zone and this high to the upside, then I think the chances are high that we could see a massive bullish explosion. But again, for this, we have to now see a bullish reaction. And on the 4-hourly time frame, we are still in this bearish trend. So as long as we are not breaking this high or this high, which was the start of this bearish push, then the chances are high that we can see even lower prices. But of course, if we are seeing lower prices again, this would be an even better chance to get into a long position on VeChain. So I personally would wait if we are seeing lower prices again and then breaking this last trend to the upside. Just if we are breaking this one to the downside and see even lower prices, then I would wait for even lower prices and a bullish trend to show up. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like VeChain, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So guys, on the short term, I think the chances are high that we could see a bullish explosion, but I would wait if we are seeing the bullish trend again. And especially if we're breaking this last highs to the upside, then I think the chances are high that we could go into this supply zone. And if we're breaking this one to the upside, then I think the chances are high that we could see the bullish explosion. And then the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $8.09. Because from this high, we saw this push to the downside again. We made a lower low. So the chance that massive liquidity is resting over this highs is very high. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.